welcome to our channel Ada and Arman's blog. So today we are going to do an unboxing video. So what we have is a JBL CSL-M20B. Okay, it's a battery powered lavalier microphone. Okay, so let us talk more about this. So this we have ordered for two reasons. One, features for this, the one main feature is it comes with a omnidirectional lavalier microphone. Okay, it is a 3.5mm TRRS jack. Okay, so it is compatible with most of the smartphones and also the DSLR cameras. Okay, so it has an extra long cable. So the length which was specified on the website was 6 meters. Okay, so let's start the unboxing and see what do we have in the content. Okay, so this product comes with a beautiful pouch. So let's see what we have inside. Okay, so let me just open everything. Okay, so first we have is a silica gel packet which I am talking about. So the reason this is kept is to absorb all the moisture which is there into the electronic product, just to keep them safe while in transit. Okay, so this is the mic that we have received in the box. Okay, so towards on the top what we have is an actual mic. Again we have a windshield foam. Okay, so and at the bottom you have a clip which you can use it to attach it to your fabrics. Okay, there is also an extra windshield foam which they have given. Okay, so along with that it also comes with an extra clip just in case you get lost with one. Okay, so in addition to that, what we have is a 6.3mm jack. Okay, this is used to plug in the mic to the musical instruments. Okay, so along with that we have the actual device. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so there are two modes. One is when you're using it with the smartphone and the next one is for a camera. Okay, so at the back you can see there is a clip. This clip mainly you attach it to your waist, and then this wire you take it on to the top towards your neck, and then you plug it on to your dress. Okay, so and at the bottom is where I was talking about the extra length cable. So this is overall a 6 meter cable, and towards the end we have a 3.5mm TRRS jack. Okay, so this is all we have. And if you open this mic, okay, so this is where you have the socket to put the battery. Okay, so the battery is also given along with the content. Okay, so in the box we also have the user guide. Okay, it contains all the important details. It also shows the box contents, then what are the instructions that needs to be followed in connecting the microphone to the other devices like smartphones, laptops, and then what should be followed for connecting to cameras, camcorders, and also for the mixed amplifiers. For this we should be using the 6.3mm jack. Then it also gives us some instructions on using the microphone. Then there are features, and then we have the specifications. Okay, so here it is mentioned that the length of the cable is 6 meters and the battery type is LR44. Okay, so in the box there was one battery, so in case you run shortage of the batteries you can have always an additional battery just in case you run into some trouble. So this is a user guide that we received along with the product. Okay, so all in all this was the reason we have bought this. One of the main reason was we wanted a JBL mic known for its quality, so we wanted an external mic for our content creation videos. So that is the reason we have ordered this particular product. Okay, so I got it for a very good deal of 850 rupees from Amazon. Okay, and the second reason I chose this was because I wanted an extra mic for my work from home setup. So most of the times I end up taking calls. Okay, so I wanted a mic which is very audible and the voice is very clear to the other person. So that is the reason I have ordered this. Okay, so I'll put the link in the description box below. Okay, so I got this product as I said for 850 rupees. Yeah, so hope you like today's video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Okay, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.